Unit 6. Captain Linda. Listening 6. Read and listen.
Linda, what's your job?
I'm a captain on a boat.
Is it a holiday boat?
No, it's a fishing boat.
How many sailors have you got?
I've got 4 sailors and a cook.
Where does the cook work?
In the kitchen. There's a kitchen on the boat.
Do you have lunch on the boat?
Yes, we have breakfast, lunch and dinner on the boat.
What do you do in the evening?
I read and then I sleep. I'm very tired.
When do you go home?
I don't go home. I sleep on the boat.
How long do you stay on the boat?
For 30 days. Then I go home.